Welcome viewers to another half-ass tip. Clutter in your garage isn't just annoying, it slows you down. It increases the risk of injury and can cost you real money. Things on the floor are trip hazards. Loose cords, oily rags, and spills are just accidents waiting to happen. Small hardware on the bench gets lost, and that means extra trips to the store and extra frustration. One careless bump can knock something over and damage a car you're working on, or worse, hurt yourself. A messy shop isn't just inefficient, it's dangerous. Let's get this cleaned up with our helpful fairy. Alright, our garage fairy helped us out and clean up our mess. Thank you, fairy. Now that everything is clean and organized, we know exactly where to find the tools we need. There's no more trip hazards on the floor or rummaging for parts. An organized workspace can raise efficiency by 35%, reduce distractions and safety hazards. Because your time is valuable, and who doesn't want to get more done in the same amount of time? Do yourself a favor and keep it clean. You'll be glad you did. Subscribe for more helpful tips.